What's going on, guys? Welcome to this episode of Angels Travel and Ravel. So, in this episode, we're going to be talking Blackstone Griddle. But, now, if you guys have seen some of my other Blackstone Griddle vlogs, you'll see that I'm always cooking on the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. Well, I picked up something really cool. It's the very elusive 22-inch Blackstone Griddle, tabletop griddle, but it's a Walmart exclusive item that's always sold out. I actually just recently got my hands on it, and it actually comes with the griddle hood as well as a stand, and it even comes with an adapter so that you can put a regular propane tank on it as well as one of the small propane bottles as well. So we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna set it up right next, of course, to our 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. Because I live in New York City, we don't actually have Walmarts here, so I had to go up to Pennsylvania to grab one of the last ones that they had. So we're gonna unbox it now. We're gonna set it up right next to our 36-inch, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Let's do the unboxing right now. So it looks like it really just came in two pieces, right? We got our instruction manual. We got this pretty cool stand with the Blackstone logo inscribed in it. And then we got the main piece with the hood. So we're gonna unwrap this up and put it all together and see what it looks like. One thing that I did notice here is that there are some bent marks here on this stand. Now, I don't know if they're grooves that are pre-done because you're supposed to screw the piece here where you want it to stop, but I thought that was interesting. Each one of the legs does have this. So if you guys do have this, let me know if you guys also had those same grooves. So here's a stand when it's completely done. As you can see, you've got the Blackstone Griddle, the Blackstone logo right on there, which is really cool. The stands are nice and sturdy. However, the fit and finish could definitely use some work. So some of the legs are a little bit scratched. I don't want to nitpick too much on it. Even over here, some of the paint job is not completely done. But, you know, the griddle's going to go on top of here, so it really doesn't bother me. It really doesn't matter. And then on the sides here, it looks like on the legs, there are no actual holes to turn this knob into. There's one or two, but the legs get really wobbly if you put it inside where the holes are. So I noticed is there are these grooves here. I don't know if the camera can see it. There are these grooves here that you can kind of put the knob in, and that's supposed to be where you're going to do your settings when you screw the knob into them. But they're not very easy to match up with the rest of the four legs. So that was a hard task to do. So keep that in mind. I don't know if this is an imperfection in mine or if it's supposed to be like that, but I recommend they pre-drill holes in here that are perfect to the size of the knob, because this is not a user-friendly operation to be able to adjust the stand. Alright guys, so now that we finished unboxing everything, I'm going to show you guys what comes inside the box. And you've got the Blackstone stand. You've got your 2-burner setup here. So there it is, the main body. And then over here we have our cold rolled 22-inch steel. Like I said, there are some imperfections in it, but to me, not to worry. Once you season it, it's not going to affect the performance. This is the free adapter that comes with the Walmart exclusive 22-inch Blackstone Griddle. So with this, you're able to hook up a standard propane tank, which is really cool. And then here you would set up the smaller ones that you take on campsites and whatnot. And then that's the shelf. This is a handle. These pegs, I have to figure out what they're for. We've got our rear grease management system catch here, which is pretty cool. Here, unfortunately, it looks like this griddle top was bent and the screw that's supposed to hold it onto the Blackstone is broken, as you can probably see there. So I'm gonna try to jerry rig it, maybe go to the hardware store, see if I find something, or contact Blackstone. But we'll resume and I'll put the hard cover on and show you guys what happens next. So just pay attention. That is not supposed to look like that. You guys are able to see that. That's not supposed to look like that. That's obviously snapped. It must have happened during shipping or packing. But from what I understand, this is supposed to come already pre-installed. So if yours does come off or is off, it's because it broke just like mine did. So just a quick update. As you guys saw, the hood is damaged. I cannot get it on the Blackstone griddle, but I just contacted their support and they are sending me a new one, so no issues there. Stay tuned because we're going to resume this vlog as soon as I get that new hood in. Thanks, guys.